Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You're starting inside your game. Press ESC and go straight to Options, then Accessibility Settings. Once there, scan the list for Narrator, Text-to-Speech, or Chat Voice options. These control the spoken UI. Make sure you're in the right profile if you use multiple accounts. Voice settings can be per profile. If you see a toggle labeled Narrator or Narrator on, flip it to off. This immediately stops spoken feedback so you can continue without narration interruptions. Once the main narrator is off, verify related settings. Disable chat voice, any spoken subtitles, and speech-to-text features that might keep audio active. Make sure you check the correct edition. Java and Bedrock place some options differently, so navigate both accessibility and audio menus. If you use mods or resource packs, temporarily disable them because they sometimes inject voice features. After changing toggles, save and exit to the main menu. This ensures the game writes the new settings to your profile. To finish, save your changes and completely quit Minecraft, then relaunch so the toggles take full effect. If narration persists, check your operating system's accessibility or screen reader settings. Windows Narrator, Mac OS VoiceOver, or third-party tools can speak game text independently. Also disable mods/plugins one at a time to isolate the culprit. If nothing works, restart your computer. A clean boot often clears stuck services.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.